Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate showdown, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra versus Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Both are absolute beasts, but what's new, and is it worth the upgrade? Let's break it down. Qatar, design and build host, holding the S23 Ultra. The S23 Ultra has that iconic boxy design with a sleek metal frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It's durable, premium, and feels great in hand. Host, picking up the S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra looks almost identical, but here's the twist. It uses titanium frames instead of aluminum. That means it's lighter, stronger, and more premium. Plus, the flat display edges make it easier to hold. A subtle but welcome upgrade. 2. Display host, pointing to the S23 Ultra. The S23 Ultra has a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's bright, vibrant, and perfect for media consumption. Host, gesturing to the S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra keeps the same 6.8-inch size and 120 Hz refresh rate, but it's now 40% brighter, up to 2,600 nits. That means better visibility in direct sunlight and an overall more immersive experience. P. Performance host, holding the S23 Ultra. The S23 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. It's fast, efficient, and handles everything from gaming to multitasking like a champ. Host, picking up the S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra takes it up a notch with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. You're looking at faster performance, better AI capabilities, and improved efficiency. If you're a power user, this is a big win. Chart. Camera host, pointing to the S23 Ultra. The S23 Ultra has a killer camera setup, a 200MP main sensor, 12MP ultra-wide, and two 10MP telephoto lenses for 3x and 10x optical zoom. It's a photography powerhouse. Host, holding the S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra keeps the 200MP main sensor, but replaces the 10x telephoto lens with a 50MP 5x telephoto lens. This means mid-range zoom shots, 3x to 10x, are sharper and more detailed. However, extreme zoom beyond 10x might not be as crisp. It's a trade-off, but the overall camera performance is still top-notch. Battery and charging host, holding. The S23 Ultra. Both phones pack a 5,000 mAh battery with 45W wired charging and 15W wireless charging. The S23 Ultra easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. Host, picking up the S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra has the same battery capacity and charging speeds, but thanks to the more efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, you might see slightly better battery life. It's not a huge difference, but every bit counts. 6. Software and AI features host, holding the S23 Ultra. The S23 Ultra runs on One UI 5.1 based on Android 13. It's smooth, feature-packed, and gets the job done. Host, gesturing to the S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra comes with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14 and introduces some cool AI features. Think live translation during calls, advanced photo editing, and smarter voice assistants. It's a step into the future. Closing scene. Host stands between both phones, smiling at the camera. Host. So, which one should you choose? If you're rocking the S23 Ultra, it's still an incredible device, and the upgrades might not be enough to justify the switch. But if you're coming from an older model or want the latest and greatest, the S24 Ultra's titanium build, brighter display, upgraded chipset, and AI features make it a solid choice. Host, winking. Let me know in the comments, would you upgrade to the S24 Ultra, or are you sticking with the S23 Ultra? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.